If you've been following me and seen the rest of my projects on this trike, this is the last bit to be done. The customer decided he actually wanted the inside of the hood painted. Well, not painted, Raptor lined. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use a tintable Raptor and we're gonna Raptor line inside this hood. So guys, before I actually go and Raptor line the underneath of the hood that you're about to see, I just wanted to give you a little introduction to the Raptor texture. It's a really great product to use. It's hard, it's durable, easy to apply. You can get different finishes from a flat finish, fine, textured, heavy, slip resistant. And all it is about is really just adjusting the pressures you're working at. If you want a really fine finish, you're gonna best to put it through a spray gun, a 1.7. You probably go down to a 1.4 to 1.7 gun, and you just need to add a little bit more thinners to that. So the kit themselves, put that aside. The kit themselves, you've got several different choices. You've got a black 1 litre kit, and that comes with your hardener and your actual Upol RAPTOR in there. You've also got the option of having in an aerosol can, and that comes in black. It's a 2K product, so you'd activate your hardener by pressing that in, shake the tin up vigorously, that mixes it all together, and you could then apply the texture to whatever you're using. I have used that on a crash bar, and it worked really, really well, so that was a good choice. It was easier than opening this up, worked super on that. If you want a link to the video, give me a shout and I'll send it over to you. But the kit that I'm using today is the Raptor Tintable. Now this comes in a 2 litre kit or a 4 bottle kit. And the reason I've gone for the 4 is because I use it quite a bit and it works out cheaper to buy more than less. So what you get is a measuring jug. This is for measuring out your hardener. All right. So you've got 237 mil or 8 fluid ounces. That's the line, the measurement. You've got 4 bottles of tintable Raptor liner. Each bottle has 711 mil of product in it. Now, it is a 1 litre bottle, but it's got 711 mil. The reason for that is you will be adding 237 mil of hardener to the bottle. So it's it's all in one unit. You don't have to go and mix it out elsewhere. You then will add, self-contained, that's what I was trying to say. You then can add your base coat color that you want. You cannot add a water-based color to this. It has to be solvent. So if you have a water-based scheme, you need to buy in the solvent-based coat. This is a Valspar. It's the Mini A59, which is what I've painted the trike in, and it's laser blue. And that's really, really it. Add 237 mil of hardener into the bottle. Measure out 10% of 1 litre, so which is 100 mil, add that into the bottle. Shake this up for 2 to 3 minutes. Shake it as vigorously as you can because you really want to mix the product in there. And then all you need to do is, if you're going to be putting it through a spray gun because you want a finer finish, you need to add up to 20% of thinners, depending on the type of finish you want. But if you're going to be using it through a Schwartz gun for a more textured finish, which is what I've done in this video, then you don't need to add any thinners. Just screw that back on, screw that on, and off you go. The pressures you want to be working at, and this will adjust the actual finish that you're going to get from the product, is between 2.7 bar and 4 bar. So you're working at quite high pressures. You can obviously adjust the fan there. Nice little tool, like I said, easy to use and a super finish. Super product, super tough. I love using this product. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to DM them over. And if you've never used this product, give it a try, see what you think. Normally you would apply 2 coats and you'd give yourself a flash off. They say 60 minutes, but I've found that depending on the temperatures and the way you're working, you could sort of put a second coat on in 45 minutes, but Upol's guided recommendation for the second coat is 60 minutes. So there we go. The hood of the trike is now raptored and it's got this extra strength and protection to it. The customer's going to come pick it up on Tuesday. I'm sure he's going to be really pleased with it. I'm really happy with the whole way this job's gone. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM them over to me. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to give me a follow. Have a good one.